But he mows into the other stuff, mows into the much fringier cryptos. That's when you know you got a real problem.
I want to.
He's waiting for rug pulls.
The one, ooh, sweet rug pull. Virgin Galactic plans to open ticket sales to the public for flights to the edge of space, though customers may be waiting a minute. I feel like I've heard this headline previous. They've been super close for these, what do they call it, suborbital flights.
Mm-hmm.
I saw the interior. It's pretty cool, right? Do we have any pictures of the interior? This VSS Unity, Virgin Galactic's aircraft.
Can you guess how much it is first?
It's like,
oh my god,
isn't it like 25,000?
No, it's
250, 150.
Oh my,
300, 450. There's a lot of numbers here.
Yeah.
Tickets will run interested customers a cool $450,000 in order to secure their seat. People must pay $150,000 deposit, then pay the remaining $300,000 before the flight. I thought they were going to try to get the price down. Can you scroll down a bit? For years, the company has had roughly 600 customers who made reservations for $250,000. Roughly a decade ago. The initial ticketing round. Ooh, interesting. Okay.
The interest is there, definitely.
Well, you don't need that many people to do it. And for people who have everything, have already bought everything.
Edge of space is right there.
They're like, okay, I don't know. I got to go to space before I die.
But edge of space, wouldn't you want to be in space?
You talking about in orbit?
Oh.
Well, listen,
Who's
Will,
doing
that's
that?
a whole different, you got to become an astronaut.
Yeah,
or
it's too much work.
Elon's got to send you to Mars to die. Like, which one's it going to be?
Oh my god.
You know, they're not
You
sending
just wear a seatbelt, no?
Look at that stuff.
you. What? Once you're in orbit, you can't just go up there in orbit, Will.
Oh, no?
No. You
Will
got-
says wear a seatbelt.
What's he talking about?
All you got to wear, right?
I mean, yes, definitely that as well, but
You don't need a spacesuit. You'll be in the shuttle, right?
yes, but orbit is a whole different ball game.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You know, that's when you're
Right,
up there
right,
for a
right,
bit.
right.
You visit the
The whole
space
space
station.
thing.
Yes.
Well, their stock just jumped a little bit.
Is Buffett involved here as well?
Yeah, Buffett bought $1 billion worth this morning, prior to the story on Lou Later.
Would you pay for this if you had tons of money?
Am I gonna pay? No, 450? No. 45?
Consider?
No.
Just throwing numbers out there. No.
No, it's like everything else. Once it's no longer fringe and they figure out ways to bring the cost down and whatnot, and then all of a sudden, yeah, it's like the early adopters always pay the most by far.
Right.
And then it goes down like 100x or whatever.
Yeah.